Have you ever dreamed of turning your written content into engaging videos without filming yourself? Fliki is here to revolutionize your video creation process by transforming text into captivating videos effortlessly. To get started with Fliki, simply enter your script or idea, and watch as it breaks your text into scenes. You can select from relevant media options that Fliki curates for you or customize it to suit your style. What truly sets Fliki apart is its extensive library of AI voices. With over 2,000 options in various languages and styles, you can find the ideal voice to narrate your text with emotion and clarity. For those who want their own voice in their videos, Fliki allows you to upload a short recording and create a custom voice that sounds just like you. This feature adds a personal touch without the hassle of recording every time. Navigating Fliki is a breeze with its clean interface. As you work on your video, you can edit text, choose visuals, and instantly preview the final result, all from your browser with no tedious downloads. One of the fantastic benefits of Fliki is its adaptability. Whether you are making YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, or professional presentations, Fliki helps you create content that fits perfectly on any platform. Fliki offers a unique feature, turning your blog articles into engaging videos. Just paste the URL of your blog post, and Fliki does the rest by summarizing the key points and adding a voiceover. You can get started with Fliki for free, allowing you to explore its amazing features without any upfront cost. They also offer affordable plans if you need more credits and functionalities later on.